Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping into an exciting topic that could totally transform how you approach your content strategy. Imagine if you could peek into the future and know exactly what's going to rank on Google before it even happens. That's the promise of predictive SEO. But how does it stack up against traditional SEO that we all know and love? In this video, we're going to explore the key differences between predictive SEO and traditional SEO, breaking it all down so you can see what sets them apart and how they can work together. Let's dive in. Let's start with traditional SEO. If you've ever optimized a web page, you've probably dipped your toes into this world. Traditional SEO is all about making your content shine based on what's happening right now. It's the tried and true stuff, researching keywords, tweaking your on-page elements like titles and meta descriptions, building those all-important backlinks, and making sure your site loads fast enough to keep visitors happy. You're likely using tools like Google Analytics to see how your pages are performing, or SEMrush to spy on your competitors' keywords. It's a reactive game. You look at the data from the past and present, figure out what's working, and adjust your strategy to climb those search rankings. Now, let's imagine taking that approach and flipping it on its head. That's where predictive SEO enters the scene. Instead of just reacting to what's already out there, predictive SEO is all about looking forward. It's like having a superpower that lets you anticipate what's coming next. How does it do that? By harnessing AI and machine learning to sift through mountains of historical data and spot trends that hint at what's going to matter in the future. It's not just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. Think of it as the difference between checking the weather after it's already raining and getting a forecast so you can grab your umbrella before the storm hits. One of the biggest differences between these two comes down to the approach. With traditional SEO, you're playing a bit of catch-up. You analyze what's ranked well before, see what your audience is searching for today, and optimize based on that. It's like steering your car by glancing in the rearview mirror. You're guided by what's behind you. Predictive SEO, though, is more like having a high-tech navigation system. It uses data to predict where the road's heading, so you can take the turns before everyone else even knows they're coming. That proactive mindset can change everything. The tools you use are another major distinction. Traditional SEO leans on staples we're all familiar with. Google Analytics for traffic insights, Ahrefs for backlink tracking, or Keyword Planner for finding those golden search terms. They're awesome for giving you a snapshot of the here and now. But predictive SEO brings in a whole new level of tech. It taps into AI-driven tools that can crunch insane amounts of data and uncover patterns that might slip past even the sharpest human eye. Take Originality AI's predictive SEO tool, for instance. It's built to analyze hundreds of thousands of Google results and predict what kind of content is likely to rank higher down the line. It's like upgrading from a calculator to a supercomputer. How these methods handle data is also a game changer. Traditional SEO thrives on what's already happened. You dig into past performance, study current trends, and use that to shape your next move. It's solid, reliable, and grounded in what's real. Predictive SEO takes that same data but asks a different question. What's next? By feeding historical data into machine learning models, it forecasts what topics, keywords, or even content styles may take off in the future. It's less about what's hot today and more about what's going to be hot tomorrow. Picture it like using yesterday's weather patterns to predict tomorrow's forecast, except it's for your blog posts or product pages. Accuracy is where things really get interesting. Traditional SEO can sometimes feel like a guessing game with a bit of trial and error. You might stuff a keyword into your content a dozen times, hoping it'll boost your ranking, but Google's smarter than that these days. Predictive SEO aims to cut through that noise. According to Originality AI, their approach is designed to be manipulation resistant, focusing on what Google actually values rather than what might trick the algorithm. By training on real search data, it offers predictions that are less about gaming the system and more about aligning with where search engines are headed. That could mean the difference between chasing trends and setting them. And when it comes to content strategy, this is where predictive SEO really shines. With traditional SEO, you might write an article about top travel destinations for 2025 because that's what people are actually searching for right now. It's a smart move for the moment, but predictive SEO could tell you that sustainable travel tips is about to explode in popularity a few months from now. So you get to work on that content early, positioning yourself as a leader before the competition even blinks. It's a way to stay ahead of the curve and build a strategy which lasts. That said, predictive SEO isn't flawless. It's still making educated guesses based on past data, and the future doesn't always play by the rules. A sudden algorithm update or a viral trend could throw things off. But here's the beauty of it. Traditional SEO and predictive SEO don't have to be rivals. They're like peanut butter and jelly, great on their own, but even better together. Traditional SEO keeps your foundation strong, while predictive SEO helps you plan for what's next. So, what's the takeaway here? Traditional SEO is your bread and butter. It's essential for staying competitive. But predictive SEO is like a glimpse into tomorrow, giving you the tools to prepare for what's coming next. If you're intrigued by the idea of predicting your next big win, Originality AI has the predictive SEO tool that's worth a look. It's all about spotting what'll rank based on Google's evolving preferences. Whether you stick with the classics or start exploring the future, the key is to keep experimenting and adapting. Thanks for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to level up your content game. Drop a comment below. Do you think predictive SEO is the future, or are you sticking with traditional SEO for now? I'd really love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.